This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site Protect-data-2022.xyz. This is a misleading website that may attack your Google Chrome browser. The website claims to be somehow related to the well-known security application. It tries to trick people into clicking on some buttons which are integrated into it. But it's a mistake to interact with these pop-ups because often they may point you to the installation of potentially unwanted software. Also, these pop-ups may sometimes collect users' related data such as names, surnames, email address, phone numbers, and other data. Once again, these alerts by Protect-data-2022.xyz are not related to any decent security application, so you should not trust them. We recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on this official website combocleaner.com. Often such fake alerts are the result of some adware on the computer. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and delete such hidden adware from your system. So download the program on the official page combocleaner.com, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.